What is the one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
Balancing my studies with personal responsibilities at home. It was hard to manage my time and energy, but I was able to handle it.
What personal qualities or strategies help you to get through it?
My determination, discipline, and time management skills. I also ask for advice from friends and talk short breaks to avoid burnout.
What did you learn about myself during that time?
I realized that I am stronger and more capable than I thought. I learned that I can handle pressure if I stay focused and positive.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
Academic workload, deadlines, and sometimes personal expectations.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
Taking with supportive friends or family. Taking care of my health, sleep, exercise, eating well, and practicing relaxation strategies like journaling or deep breathing.
Your one personal strength to remember.
My determination to keep going even through a time.
Your one positive affirmation.
I am capable of overcoming challenge and growing stronger each day.
Your one resilient strategy to try this week.
Journaling at the end of each day to release stress and reflect on small achievements. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
I had to adjust to online classes during the pandemic.
What personal qualities or strategies help you to get through it?
My adaptability and time management skills helped me cope.
What did you learn about yourself during the time?
I learned I'm more resilient than I thought balancing.
What are the current source of stress in your life?
Balancing school's work and part-time work is stressful.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
Talking to friends about stress and practicing mindfulness might help.
Your one personal strength to remember.
My problem solving skills.
Your one positive affirmation.
I can handle challenges.
Your one resilient strategy to try this week.
Journaling my thoughts daily.